How y'all good people doing? This is Jazz Williams, just providing another video. I know it's been a long time since I post on here, but I feel that a lot of us are looking for better ways to collect and make some money. And I want to show you how to make money online, and not only how to make money online, but how to make money online by selling snacks. So so as you can see right here, you're gonna see something that's gonna provide like a new way of people selling snacks and everything. And one of these things are the Doritos Flaming Hot Lime chips. So this person is selling snacks on eBay. eBay is a real good platform to sell a little bit of everything. You got to be careful with the. I always recommend before selling on eBay, get as familiar as much as possible. Know the policies, what you can and can't sell, because you can make a lot of money. And if you're you could be making a lot of money, and but at the same time you're making a lot of money, you could be doing something totally wrong. And once you get to the point, you could be making around thousands of dollars. And once someone catches, or you get a bad review, or someone reports you, you can lose everything. And that's something that you don't want to put yourself at. It's just that you're making this money, seeing all this revenue come in, and then bam, you lose everything. So you don't want to put yourself at that risk. So I'm going to just recommend you go ahead and look at the policy before looking at the fine print of it, because the stuff that asks you to agree to, really look into that and see exactly what all you have to what all the stuff that you need to do. Because if you do it correctly the first time, and you follow their guidelines, and you follow all the stuff that they require you to do, you're going to get yourself to the next level. But me saying all this stuff, this particular thing with selling snacks online, I don't if I feel like it's in a bit of a limbo-ish type of vibe. I don't know if this is considered price gouging. That is one of their guidelines that they make sure that that's a no for eBay, that you don't want to do. But I'm not sure this is considered price gouging, because this is something that is like limited edition. Like not a lot of stores have it, and the chances you're it's still being available is slim, because a lot of time these are limited edition. I remember one time Games of Thrones had these Game of Thrones Oreos limited edition, and they were selling these Oreos like $9. I think I sold some. I think I did. So I sold some. I think I sold some. I think I ate them. What are the two? I remember I had bought a few. I'm a real big Game of Thrones guy. Games of Thrones guy. But anywho, so be careful with that. Be careful with what I'm saying, and also don't listen to the internet guy. Even though I'm providing you good ways, you're gonna take advantage of your own risks. But at the same time, if you want to make a few dollars, and trying to make a few bucks, just go ahead and listen what I got to tell you. But this is basically what this person doing. They're selling the new Doritos, and they sold it for they sold this for $11.99, and they sold 24 of these bad boys. You do the math. I already did the math already, and I'm gonna let you look at it. So that's really, like, that's crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and stroll and show you, where is that particular app? Okay. Bam. There we go. Come on, why are you being difficult? Okay. Phone being difficult. So let's go ahead and go here. And as you see, I already broke it down. But let's see how much it's gonna cost, because he got it for 99 cents. So like I mentioned, like I'm about to mention to you, it's with taxes. It's and I'm sorry, I didn't even go to where I need to go to also. So I'm going to show you. So these are the chips that they got going on in my local store. So the chips are $2.90. Sold out, because these chips are hard to find because it's like limited edition. But if you do go to your local Walmart and you see these chips available, buy a few, and you can do exactly what this guy is doing. And he bought a few, and he sold them, and the prices for one is $3.50. Shipping is gonna probably run you $2.50. And this guy, or or chick is selling it for $11.99. So this person's selling for that price. Let's do the math. So this person making $4.14. That is pretty crazy. And let's do the math even further. So this person is selling for that times $4.14. Wow. So he made $99 off of selling those bag of chips. That's crazy. That's crazy, but at the same time, I seen crazier things. So let's go back to eBay and get back on eBay. So this is how much this person is selling their stuff. And what's also always crucial and always put you to the number one spot is having a good tag. A lot of times you can technically snip the tag. Like this is something a lot of sellers do get pissed off when you do this, but at the same time, it's in the title. I mean, it's literally, you can literally press sell one like this. You can sell one like this and have no problems. And I think what he's doing is not that bad, because as you can see, let's go to him. So he's been selling since 2014. He's been selling these snacks for, seems like he's been selling it for a while. So technically, I don't think it's not a big deal, because one, when people are purchasing these snacks, they know that I'm paying more than what I should be. Only time when it's a problem is when people know you're like the mass or the toilet epidemic. You're selling a roll of toilet paper for like $50. That's what it's like ridiculous. Like, come on, you taking advantage of me, like, in a place of desperation. That's when it gets pretty crazy. But right now it's not a big deal when it comes to the snacks side, because the snacks is like, it's not a central thing, and it's like, well, I want these limited edition chips, or these chips or Pop-Tart that you can't get nowhere else. So this person been selling for a while, and as you can see, they're considered a top seller because they sell a lot, and their view on their positive feedback is 99.4, because they got a bad review. Oh, I'm about to go back. I just need to go back. They got a bad review like a few months ago. They got a few bad reviews. Goodness. Let's look at this one again. Let's look at this one. And they were just saying that package still never came. So that can, that's something that you always want to look out for. You never want to, you want to watch your package. You want to be monitoring those packages like a hawk. This person probably have a tough time tracking all that, because this person probably have like thousands of orders that just get sent out. He or she probably get this order, get like probably ship off probably 100 items a day. I don't know if they're doing a distribution, or they have someone else doing it, but regardless of what's going on, you want to monitor every last one of them. You want to monitor every last one to the beginning and the end. I was able to make in 2017, I was able to make $27,000 doing eBay part-time. And I'm gonna make a video on just how I came about that. I'm gonna make a video, and I'm gonna show you all my listings that I did in order to get to that level. But you want to monitor those things all the time, because you don't want to miss out and get a negative review, and then your rank go down. And when your rank go down, it prevents you from being on the top of the list when it comes to search, because eBay want to have the best sellers on the top, not the sellers that getting bad reviews back to back. And this person, and the only downside, the terrible part about when it comes to negative reviews, they last on your account for about a year. So you got to deal with this bad review for about a year. As you can see, you got another one. You got a few of them. So, and then as you can see, they just put them up together. Candy was cracked. Movie never arrived. Came damaged and open. So you want to be careful for all those type of things, especially if you're doing you're trying to sell snacks or sell anything. You want to make sure your packaging is legitimate. And then what I used to do, I used to take pictures of the packaging, because when it comes to you delivering all this stuff, because you got to put in the tracking information, and then they have additional pictures. What I used to do, I like to cover my tail. I had to take a picture. I take a picture of me putting the stuff in the package, take pictures of the wrapping, take pictures of me selling it. So they have all information showing that, hey, I did my due diligence of protecting my tail and making sure that they're secured and happy. And by me doing that, I never had one customer complain about it or complain to me about a package being damaged or a package being something, something wrong with it, because I have proof showing that. And if they want to, give me a negative comment or anything like that, I can go to eBay and fight that, because now I have a legitimate case showing that I did all the things that I was supposed to. Now, it arriving there, that's not my fault, and that's something that you can argue with on the shipping company, like on UPS or FedEx or USPS, and you usually you get insurance on those packages, and if they do a terrible job of damaging it, you can refund it that way, and you can get your money back that way. And then eBay should work with you, and if could possibly get rid of that negative feedback. But usually, a situation like that, you want to just make sure you cover in your tail each and every moment. So so yeah, this person still did good, and I did save this person, because if I ever want to go back and sell me some snacks, that I may just go ahead and do. But as you can see, this person sells like crazy, like game busters crazy, and they got a lot of everything. That's crazy, just all the stuff that they're selling, crazy. So, and I mean, I know a lot of people like, I like this person, and I can tell you this one thing. Let's go ahead and go to, and what I like to do when I go to a user and see what they're doing, I like to go to and just see the results. And as you can see, they are selling they got at least over 20 items, and that's just crazy. So they're making around over probably around 100 or more than that. And so they're pulling around minimum they're pulling around like $1,500 a month minimum. Now, the only, I mean, they're paying a lot of taxes, but I guarantee that they're out of taxes and fees and everything. Minimum $1,500, easy. $1,500 a month can do a lot of people, a whole lot better. And you don't have to be an old person. You can be a young person. You can be, anybody can do this. It's super easy. Like I just showed you. Go to your local store. You can download the Walmart app. Go to your local store. Figure out what store selling those chips and or cereal, whatever the case is. See what's selling on eBay. Find someone that's selling it and they having luck at it. Sell it. Mark it down $1 or $2 and sell it on it. And offer guaranteed that you provide excellent service, and basically make sure you cover your tail by making sure the packaging is correct, and monitoring, checking when it's going to get delivered. With everything that's going on right now, you can talk to the customer, tell them that you expect for it to be delayed, whatever the case is, though. But just monitor and make sure what's going on. You want to be as dedicated, especially if you're new at eBay. You want to be as dedicated and own it as if you're sending something to a family member for before like a week before Christmas. So you want to be just doing your due diligence and making sure that you're as proactive as possible when it comes to all these things. Because if you're not, and if you're you just half-assing it and just basically expect just say, well, I'm expecting just to make money, then you're gonna create a terrible business. You're not gonna make any money. So yeah, this is just really just, I mean, this person is making bank. I mean, and keep in mind, I mean, I'm showing you all this, but you can definitely make some money. Recommend checking out this person, and yeah, go ahead and make yourself some money. Make yourself some money. I'm gonna do another video just showing you using this similar method that I'm showing you, and this basically how I made my $27,000 doing this part-time. When I mean part-time, doing it whenever I can. I visit I go about and go to one of my local stores and visit that store and see, all right, I got some spare time. Let's see what's selling over there. Let's see what they got marked down. And that's how I made a lot of money. I can show you, I'm gonna show you that eventually, but make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and post a video Probably, I'm gonna I'm gonna do my best due diligence to make a video tomorrow. But if you don't see a video by me tomorrow, I'm gonna make sure that I post Friday. But thank you, and I look forward to I'm looking forward to seeing anybody that are interested in any other videos. Just make sure you comment at the bottom, and I will do it.